Welcome to Onboarding Optimization. In this module, we'll explore how to design first-time user experiences that activate new users quickly. Effective onboarding is the bridge between sign-up and product love. It's where you convince users that your product solves their problem in minutes, not days. Here's the harsh reality. Most new users abandon products within their first sessions. Only about 25% of users return on day one. 60% churn within the first week. But here's the opportunity. Companies that optimize their onboarding see 3 times return on investment. That's a massive win for your business and a better experience for your users. 4 principles guide great onboarding. First, speed. Get users to value in minutes, not hours. Second, clarity. Your value proposition must be immediately obvious. Third, simplicity. Remove friction at every step. Only include what's necessary. Fourth, progressive learning. Teach features gradually as users need them, not all at once. To measure onboarding success, track these 4 metrics. Time to first action should be less than 2 minutes. This is when users complete their first core task. Day 1 retention targets 40% or higher. This means 40% of users return within 24 hours. Feature discovery aims for 50% or more users engaging with 3 or more core features in their first session. Finally, the aha moment, when users realize your product's value, should happen within 5 minutes. User journeys have distinct phases. Phase 1 begins with awareness, your user's first touchpoint with your product. This moves to sign-up, where they create an account. Then comes initial setup, a guided configuration process. The optimization focus here is removing sign-up friction, using progressive disclosure to avoid overwhelming users, and making the next steps crystal clear. Phase 2 continues with the aha moment, where users experience your core value. Next is activation, their first meaningful action with your product. Finally comes the retention loop, where regular engagement patterns begin. Here, focus on showing value immediately, enabling quick wins so users feel productive right away, and building habit loops that keep them coming back. 4 tactics boost conversion during onboarding. First, minimal sign-up. Collect only essential information at sign-up. Ask for optional details later. Second, instant value. Show benefits before asking for commitment or payment. Third, smart tutorials. Use interactive walkthroughs instead of boring feature lists that users skip. Fourth, quick wins. Enable users to achieve meaningful results immediately so they feel the product works. Personalization dramatically improves activation. Segment users by intent and show different onboarding paths based on user type, industry, or use case. One size never fits all. Use behavioral data in real time. Tailor tutorials and prompts based on user interactions and engagement patterns. Implement progressive feature unlocking. Reveal advanced features only as users demonstrate mastery of core functionality. This prevents overwhelm and guides users naturally through your product. Watch out for these common mistakes. Overcomplicating setup kills conversion immediately. Too many required fields or steps lose users fast. Feature dumping overwhelms users with all capabilities instead of focusing on core value first. Ignoring drop-off points means you're not testing and iterating where users actually abandon. Generic experiences miss the needs of different user segments. Personalization matters more than you think. Follow this 4-step framework to implement onboarding optimization. Step 1, audit your current experience. Map the existing onboarding flow and identify exactly where users drop off. Step 2, set baseline metrics. Measure current activation rates, retention, and time to value. Step 3, design an improved flow. Rebuild with speed, clarity, and progressive complexity in mind. Step 4, test and iterate. Run A/B tests, collect user feedback, and refine continuously based on data. Remember 3 essential truths about onboarding. First, speed to value beats feature completeness. Users care about solving their problem now, not accessing every feature later. Second, personalization drives higher activation rates. Different users need different paths. Third, continuous testing compounds improvements over time. Small optimizations add up to massive gains. Onboarding is your first chance to create lasting product love. Make it count.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.